So today we're going to have a look at ONGAA CAM running inside SolidWorks programming parts with the wizard. Let's bring up a part. This is a gable for a lower cabinet. Has various drilling holes in the top surface. It has some alignment holes for some dowels, a dado. What we're going to do is start the wizard, going through first the workpiece. Selecting the wizard, we're going to ask it to auto-orient the part, do the vertical drilling, horizontal drilling, vertical pockets, and the perimeter. And that is the program finished. There's our vertical drilling on the first surface, the second surface. Our horizontal drill holes are marked here. Our pocket. Note the pocket dimensions visibly go just to the edge, but ONGAA CAM is smart enough to extend the pockets to clear them out. And there's our vertical route. Now let's have a look at this in WoodWOP. And we can see here, zooming in, that the pockets are extended to clean out all the material for that dado. Our vertical drilling on panel 1, or section 1, face 1. There's our drilling for face 2, our horizontal drilling, our pocket, and the perimeter route. Let me zoom out for that. The perimeter route to go around the outside. That is how quickly you can program parts for WoodWOP. Now, just to show that these programs are just as flexible as programming them manually through ONGAA CAM, we're going to close the program and we are going to change the size of the part. We're going to make this part 48 inches. It's currently 32. Extend that. We've actually added another row of holes for the drawer slides. We're going to go directly and just send the program directly to WoodWOP. We have our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets of slides, completely reprogrammed, more holes, everything has moved parametrically. Our program is done.